Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to boost volume and sound quality on your PC. In this video we will use an open source application that can be used to boost the volume and sound quality of your PC. It offers a range of features that can enhance your listening experience, including volume boost, equalizer, 3D surround sound, and enhanced sound quality. To use, open your web browser and go to FxSound.com. Download the FxSound Enhancer installer. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Now launch the FX Enhancer from your desktop or the Start menu. Select your default audio hardware from the list if you have multiple audio hardware, like the in-built sound card, USB sound card, or USB headphones, even HDMI pass-through. Make sure it is enabled. Choose the right preset equalizer for your needs. You can also customize the sound effects by adjusting the sliders on the equalizer and 3D surround sound settings. If you could not hear any sound, make sure the FX Audio Enhancer is set to by default. Overall, FxSound is a great option if you are looking to improve the sound quality and volume of your audio files on your PC. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.